Well, tonight I was out taking rollers. This is going to be a vlog dump on fixing my shifter because apparently it started out in fourth gear. I would shift to fourth. There'd be a slight rattle like something was going loose in the shifter linkage in the center console somewhere. So we're going to try and fix it because now after doing rollers tonight, I pulled up to the gas station. It did the normal thing all the way there. And I was like, I'll fix it when I get to it. And when I take center console apart again, it's not that big of a deal. It wasn't too bad. But now it rattles in every single gear. We go to leave, I start it fresh from the gas station, and now it rattles in every single gear, and it's super high pitched. So we're gonna tear into it a little bit, and hopefully it's obvious what's wrong, but we'll see. Okay, so first we're gonna take out these two Phillips screws, and I think then this just pops off. I have to take the shifter boot off, and then I think there's a couple screws, and then that'll lift out. I think, if I remember right. All right, moment of truth. Does this thing just... Oh, wait. All right, I think this thing... Oh, is there screws in here? No. I think this thing just... Does just this part come off? Hold on, I can't remember. Oh, I'm an idiot. There's a screw here. That's why you have to take the shift boot off. So this... Oh God, there we go. All right, let's take that out. All right, so I got that off. To lift this out, it just pulls out, but I've got to take off my shift knob. Good Lord. Sometime today. There we go. All right, shift knob. And then I think this thing has to come off too, because I've got to get the boot over this. Let's see. All right, now I cannot forget to plug this back in for the STI light. Now we've got everything. Oh, hold on. All right, we've got everything out. Now what the heck is rattling? Is it just this? I don't think so, because I've held this when I've driven the reverse lockout. Oh, it's that. Look at this. Oh, you can't see it on camera, but there's play. Like I can move it left and right between these bushings. I wonder if I just need to tighten that. That would probably do it. So I can get an angle, you can see me twist this. I don't know. Either way, let me tighten that and see what happens. Got it torn apart. We are gonna go drive it for a second and see if I can figure out what's rattling, because I can't tell. Okay, I just got back from driving it, and somehow something is rubbing this cable with the blue on it underneath. So I have no idea. So let's see how we can get down there, I guess. All right, chat, let's see if you can see this on camera. So that cable goes down, around, loops, and is touching that. Do you see where that silver is? It's been rubbing. God, I'm trying to get the light on there. Rubbing on that. Right there, you can see it rubbing right in the middle. So, I don't know, it's gotta be looped different, I guess. All right, so I think I've fixed it. Let's see if we can see what I did here. So down there, where's it at? Where's the clip at? Hold on, chat. See if you can see it. Right there, that clip, I had to tighten that clip. Then I had to, there's a zip tie right under here. Right there, I had to tighten that. And then on this side, I zip tied it up out of the way right there. You can see the zip tie. And now it sits up curled like this and doesn't hit. You can see where it rubbed through right there. Actually, there's the silver. And now it's up on this little notch and it shouldn't fall off. So we'll see, we'll run it like that. Overall, how stupid is that? It really can't come off of there. The only thing I can see happening is when I pull my reverse lockout. When I pull my reverse lockout, it doesn't go down right away, but it does go back down. but I mean, it's better than nothing, and it should work, hopefully. We'll see. If it starts tapping, I know something's wrong again, but it should sit. It shifts through all the gears and doesn't look like it's going to pinch on anything. So that's good. But yeah, it does not look like it has any chance of coming down. So thanks for diving into this with me. I will put it back together, and I mean, I guess we'll find out how it runs next time I drive it.